what would you say the most common parallel is between auto repair and the Marines?
A lot of structure here. There's a lot of structure. There's a way things work, and it's not all over the place. There's an order to the way things work, and there's a certain rule set you follow. And if you follow that rule set, things are going to fall right into place.
So, and you haven't even been through orientation yet, so you
Not
don't even
yet.
know the rules yet. You already know there's rules, right?
Yes, sir.
So tell me about that. Like we all in the past, we always orientate people like day one, right? We don't ever put them into the workforce and then they like to do the orientation later on. So how has it been conveyed to you that you already know that there's structure and orders and rules? And it's not like we have a lot of rules, right? But
No, sir.
we obviously have some rules.
Well, it's just through, like I said, y'all's very, very good training. It's any questions I have or anytime I'm doing anything, if I'm doing something wrong, y'all immediately let me know. And it's not in a mean way that y'all let me know. Y'all let me know why. Y'all let me know how the right way is to do it. And it's just a constructive talk. It's not bringing me down. And so just the fact that y'all have been there through every step of everything I've done these past 3 days, any questions I've had, anytime I do anything, and even the technicians are very helpful when it comes to that. Everybody at this business is very helpful when it comes to that. So it was pretty easy. It's pretty easy as long as I listen to y'all, and everything else kind of just seems to be falling in line. Learning everything is falling in line. Figuring out the job is falling in line. Starting to get along and know people is just falling in line. Mm-hmm. And I always just try hard. I mean, if I don't know something, the best I can do is just try my hardest. Good. And try to do the best that I can with it. Make sure I ask a lot of questions so that way I do know the right way to do it in the future.
Got it.
And so it's very, I didn't think it would be this simple. I didn't think it would be this easy to learn these things and to fall in place because, like I said, I've never drove a tow truck before. I've never helped anybody with a lockout before. The most I've ever done was change tires. I've never in my life worked behind a computer. And just the fact that y'all are so willing to teach me means a lot to me. The fact that y'all have so much confidence in a guy that knew nothing, and y'all just you knew I could do my best. You knew that I would try my best for y'all, and you gave me an opportunity when you didn't have to. And that's something that I'll always be appreciative of. It doesn't matter how this thing ends, which I'm hoping, and I'm planning on it being for a long time, and it ending better for all of us with a lot of money in all our pockets. Yeah. But at the end of the day, no matter what happens, I will always appreciate this opportunity. I will always appreciate how kind y'all been to me, and I will always appreciate you taking a chance on someone that most people would not take a chance on. Mm-hmm. It makes me feel good about myself. It's very nice to see how much confidence and belief y'all have in me.
So honestly, we've been really busy the last 3 days, right? Is that a fair statement? Like, there's been...
Oh, yes, sir. Very busy.
And that's kind of actually a norm around here. It's
a good shop, a lot of business.
And I never conveyed to you that it'd be anything less than that, right?
No, sir.